Hey friends, if you wish to reset, repair or reinstall Microsoft Edge browser, then please watch this video. Now, if I was to search for Edge, okay, and click on this forward pointing arrow, there is no app settings, okay, and I'll expand it to show there are no app settings. So how would you reset it? First of all, open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, go to this option here, reset settings, click on reset to the default value and then select reset. Okay, as for repair, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, go to apps, installed apps, then scroll down to Microsoft Edge, click on the three dots associated with it, select modify, click on repair and it will start repairing Microsoft Edge. As for reinstall, you cannot do it. You cannot do it through the usual means. You can do it through a PowerShell utility, but that doesn't actually reinstall it. It just repairs it. The reason is that reinstalling means that you uninstall Edge and then install it once again. But there is no option to install it from the Microsoft Store, and there is no option to uninstall it from your system. So if you have Microsoft Edge on your system, it will remain there for life. Was it helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.